this is Lou with iCritique, and today I'm going to share my Away mini luggage. I mean the smallest one. Meet the smallest Away suitcase, and today I'm critiquing this limited edition travel wellness kit that comes with few essentials that will give you additional protection as you travel. As you can see, I chose the color blush. Sizes are 7 inches in height, 5 inches in width, and 3 inches in depth. And it weighs 0.35 pounds. A great feature of this mini luggage is its polycarbonate shell. It has zipper closure around it that glides seamlessly, along with its exterior D-ring for attaching a key clip or keychain. Like I said in the beginning, this kit comes with 4 essentials, and here they are. The first essential is the silicone face mask. I like that it is reusable. However, it is very thin and flimsy, that if you're not careful, the straps that go around your ear could easily snap and break. This face mask comes with 5 filters, but I do wish that Away gave 10 instead of 5 because replacement filters cost $10 for packs of 10 on their website. And why pay that amount for less quantity when you can actually buy a box of 50 regular disposable face masks for around $6 elsewhere? The antibacterial wet wipes is the next essential, which I consider a good thing. However, I can find a travel pack that has more than 10 wipes. Now, this next product, which is the soap leaves, is what I consider a great essential to add to my travel needs, especially when traveling international, because it would be one less liquid in my 3-1-1 plastic container. Therefore, would give me more room for other products that I really want to take. Lastly is the hand sanitizer, in which I've been using a lot of these days. It's a necessity. So in summary, if you ordered this particular travel kit, you should get 4 essential items, including a dust bag. Now, the interior. I love the gussets on both sides to keep my valuables from falling out as I unzip. Then, on the one side is the elastic strap to keep things tucked in, like my tech cords. Then on the other side is the mesh pocket, good for small batteries and such. Well, you can use this for anything you want. It's up to you. So what is my verdict? I do recommend this product. It is not only sturdy and can take a beating, but it is also versatile and on sale right now for $55 instead of $75. Once again, thank you for watching this video. As always, if you have any questions or comments, please write them down below and I will try to answer accordingly. Until next time, God bless, relax, relate, and release.